The Indian Administrative Service, or the IAS, has long been seen as a prestigious career path, but recent controversy surrounding two of its officers have cast a shadow on the selection process. Allegations of forging disability certificates to gain entry into the service has raised questions about integrity and accountability. Let's unpack the stories of Pooja Khedkar and Abhishek Singh, two IAS officers whose actions have sparked widespread debate. Abhishek Singh is a 2011 batch IAS officer who resigned in 2023 to pursue a career in acting. However, his journey from bureaucrat to celebrity has not been smooth, as allegations regarding his disability claim have come to light. So what are these allegations against Singh? Singh claimed to have a locomotor disability to avail concessions in the UPSC selection process. But his active social media presence, showcasing him dancing and exercising, has led to skepticism about his claimed disability. In a lengthy social media post, Singh defended his disability claim, stating that he was being targeted for his outspoken support for reservations. He emphasized that his disability certificate was issued by competent authorities and reaffirmed his commitment to supporting reservation policies. Singh's career has been marked by several controversies, including his suspension by the Uttar Pradesh government for going on leave without sanction and being relieved from his post during the Gujarat Assembly elections for allegedly using his official vehicle for a publicity stunt. Next comes the case of Pooja Khedkar, with whom the entire discourse of fraud officers even began. She is a probationary IAS officer from the 2023 batch and has found herself at the center of a storm following accusations that she used fake disability and OBC certificates to secure her position. Initially stationed in Pune, Khedkar was transferred to Washim after a series of allegations surfaced. So what are these allegations against Khedkar? Khedkar is accused of using a false address and a fake ration card to obtain disability certificate. The address provided was linked to a defunct company, not a residential property. She allegedly demanded unauthorized perks such as a VIP number plate, a red beacon on her private Audi car, a separate office and residential quarters. Despite multiple appointments for medical verification at AIIMS Delhi, Khedkar reportedly skipped these appointments, raising further doubts about the authenticity of her claims. The Maharashtra government has put Khedkar's training on hold and recalled her to the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration for further action. A probe is underway to investigate the legitimacy of the certificates she submitted. Khedkar has dismissed the allegations as a media trial, asserting that misinformation and fake news have targeted her. She has expressed confidence that the truth will emerge through the official inquiry and lodged a harassment complaint against the Pune district collector. Another case that has come to light is Praful Desai, the additional collector of Karimnagar district. He is the latest IAS officer to face allegations of falsifying a disability certificate. Critics have pointed to photos of Desai engaging in activities like rafting and biking as evidence against his claimed disability. Desai defended himself in a detailed statement asserting that his benchmark disability certificate was issued by competent authority and validated by the medical board at AIIMS Delhi during his UPSC examinations in 2018 and 2019. He stressed the importance of sensitivity towards genuine cases and expressed his readiness to undergo any further medical examination to prove his authenticity. Allegations of forged disability certificates not only tarnish the reputation of the individuals involved, but also bring disrepute to the entire civil service. Do you think that these cases tarnish the image of the IAS as a prestigious and transparent institution? Let us know in the comments below. I am Deepti Rao. You are watching India Today So South.